Florence Pugh's portrayal of Yelena Belova in Marvel's Black Widow was a breakout role, showcasing her incredible talent and physical prowess. Her performance captivated audiences worldwide, establishing her as a new force in the action genre. Pugh's ability to blend emotional depth with intense physicality brought a fresh and compelling dimension to the character. To prepare for the demanding role, Pugh underwent an intense training regimen that transformed her into a formidable action star. This wasn't just about looking the part, it was about embodying the strength and resilience of a true warrior. Her training included a mix of weightlifting, cardio, and martial arts, all designed to push her limits and build the necessary skills for the role. This rigorous program, designed to build strength, agility, and endurance, focused on functional fitness, enabling her to perform her own stunts with grace and power. Pugh's commitment to mastering these skills was evident in every scene, where her movements were fluid and powerful, reflecting the intense preparation she underwent. Pugh's dedication to her training was evident in her incredible on-screen presence. Her physical transformation was remarkable, but it was her ability to convey the character's inner strength and determination that truly set her apart. This combination of physical and emotional preparation made her portrayal of Yelena Belova both believable and inspiring. Her transformation went beyond the physical, as she fully embodied the character's strength and determination. Pugh's ability to connect with the character on a deeper level allowed her to bring authenticity to her performance, making Yelena Belova a standout character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. This essay will delve into the details of Pugh's workout routine and nutrition plan, providing a glimpse into the commitment required to become a real-life action hero. From her disciplined training sessions to her carefully planned diet, every aspect of her preparation was meticulously designed to help her achieve peak performance. Join us as we explore the journey of Florence Pugh, a new breed of action hero, and discover the dedication and hard work that goes into creating a character that resonates with audiences around the world. Strength training formed the bedrock of Pugh's workout routine. It wasn't just about lifting heavy weights, it was about building a solid foundation that would support all her physical endeavors. She engaged in a variety of compound exercises, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These exercises are known for their efficiency and effectiveness, making them a staple in any serious strength training program. These exercises, including squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, are highly effective for building overall strength and muscle mass. Squats, for instance, work the legs, core, and back, while deadlifts engage the entire posterior chain. Bench presses, on the other hand, focus on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pugh's trainers emphasized proper form and progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight or resistance as she became stronger. Proper form is crucial to ensure that the exercises are performed safely and effectively, reducing the risk of injury and maximizing muscle engagement. This approach is crucial for maximizing results and minimizing the risk of injury. Progressive overload, the gradual increase of stress placed upon the body during exercise training, ensures continuous improvement and adaptation. By focusing on compound movements, Pugh's training program ensured that she developed balanced strength throughout her body. This balance is essential not only for aesthetic purposes but also for functional strength, which is important for everyday activities and overall health. This balanced strength was essential for performing the physically demanding stunts required of her role. The rigorous training prepared her body to handle the intense physical demands, ensuring she could perform at her best without compromising her safety. In addition to strength, agility, and flexibility played pivotal roles in Pugh's training. Agility drills, such as ladder drills and cone sprints, honed her reflexes and coordination, essential qualities for a spy navigating complex fight scenes. Flexibility exercises, including yoga and Pilates, improved her range of motion and prevented injuries. These exercises also enhanced her ability to perform the dynamic movements required of her character. This combination of agility and flexibility allowed Pugh to move with speed, precision, and grace, bringing an added level of authenticity to her performance. A well-rounded nutrition plan was just as important as her workout routine in Pugh's transformation. She followed a balanced diet that provided her body with the nutrients it needed to fuel her workouts and recover effectively. This approach ensured that she maintained optimal energy levels throughout the day, allowing her to train at her best. Recognizing that food is fuel, Pugh prioritized nutrient-dense options that supported her training and overall health. Section 5. Protein power, the building blocks of muscle. Protein played a crucial role in Pugh's diet as it is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Without adequate protein intake, muscles cannot recover properly from the stress of workouts, leading to potential injuries and setbacks. She consumed lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, and tofu throughout the day to support muscle growth and recovery. These foods are not only rich in protein but also provide essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals that aid in overall health. By eating multiple small meals, Pugh ensured a steady supply of protein to her muscles, which is crucial for continuous repair and growth. Meal prepping allowed her to stay on track with her nutrition goals, making it easier to avoid unhealthy food choices. Protein also helped her feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating and supporting her weight management goals. This satiety effect is particularly beneficial for those looking to maintain a lean physique while building muscle. By prioritizing protein, Pugh ensured that her body had the building blocks it needed to recover from intense workouts and build the lean muscle mass required for her role. This focus on protein not only enhanced her physical performance but also contributed to her overall well-being, making her stronger and more resilient. Section 6. Healthy fats, essential for energy and recovery. Healthy fats were another important component of Pugh's nutrition plan. Sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil provided her with sustained energy and supported hormone production. These healthy fats also helped to reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Incorporating healthy fats into her diet ensured that Pugh had the energy reserves necessary to power through demanding training sessions. Section 7. The importance of complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provided Pugh with the energy she needed to fuel her workouts. Unlike simple carbohydrates, which can cause energy spikes and crashes, complex carbs provide sustained energy release. This sustained energy release is crucial for maintaining focus and endurance during long training sessions. By choosing complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates, Pugh ensured that her body had a consistent source of energy to support her active lifestyle. Section 8. Hydration, a cornerstone of performance. Hydration was a key focus for Pugh, especially during intense training. She made sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to replace fluids lost through sweat. Proper hydration is essential for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and optimizing muscle function. By prioritizing hydration, Pugh ensured that her body could perform at its best during training and recovery. Section 9. A holistic approach to fitness. Florence Pugh's training regimen extended beyond the physical, encompassing a holistic approach to fitness. She recognized the importance of rest and recovery, incorporating regular rest days into her schedule to allow her body to repair and rebuild. This balanced approach, combining intense training with adequate rest, was crucial for preventing overtraining and reducing the risk of injury. By prioritizing both physical exertion and mindful recovery, Pugh demonstrated a mature understanding of the importance of balance in achieving sustainable fitness. Section 10. Beyond the physical, the mental benefits of training. Pugh's training regimen not only transformed her physically, but also had a profound impact on her mental fortitude. The discipline, resilience, and determination required to push through challenging workouts translated into increased confidence and self-belief. This newfound mental strength was evident in her portrayal of Yelena Belova, a character who embodies resilience and inner strength. Through her training, Pugh demonstrated that physical fitness is not just about aesthetics but also about cultivating a resilient and empowered mindset. Section 11. Florence Pugh, an inspiration for a new generation. Florence Pugh's dedication to her training for Black Widow is an inspiration to aspiring actors and fitness enthusiasts alike. Her journey highlights the transformative power of hard work, discipline, and a holistic approach to health and wellness. Pugh's commitment to embodying her character extended beyond the screen, inspiring a new generation to embrace fitness as a means of empowerment and self-discovery. Her story serves as a powerful reminder that with dedication and a balanced approach, we can achieve incredible things.